Hello everybody, thank you for your support, Yari Truck Sale. Mario, tell me about this truck.
Here we have a 2019 Volvo 760 VNL. This truck has mileage in the 700s, automatic, has brand new 10 tires. And as you can see, the truck is spotless. It's super clean, ready for the road. So remember, you could always follow us on social media. We got financing for all credits, all types. So feel free to give us a call and let us take care of the rest.
Only one place in South Florida, Yari Truck Sale. Where? Here.